Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Bybit Web3 Wallet. For that, make sure you have the Bybit application and you're logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page at the top, you can see the Web3 option. You need to simply tap on that and you'll be led to this kind of interface. And at the downside, you need to tap on Create. If you already have your wallet, then you can tap on I already have a wallet. Now again, you need to simply tap on Create. Now here you need to set device password. This password is required for making transfer and transaction on the blockchain or accessing your seed phrase. It ensures that only authorized users can do so. Now here you need to set yourself password. After you are done, you can simply tap on confirm. And this is it. Your Web3 wallet in Bybit has been created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.